For years, GoPro wasn't just a brand, it was synonymous with action cameras. Its rugged reliability, impressive video quality in a tiny package, and ubiquitous presence on helmets, handlebars, and surfboards cemented its leadership. However, the narrative has shifted in recent seasons. While competitors like DJI and Insta360 aggressively pushed boundaries with larger sensors, superior low-light capabilities, and smarter features, GoPro's innovations felt incremental. Now, the rumored GoPro Hero 14 Black, anticipated for its traditional September unveiling, potentially around September 20th, 2025, carries the weight of these expectations. But does it promise enough to be the comeback story GoPro needs? And more importantly, is it worth your weight and investment? The most compelling whispers surrounding the Hero 14 point to a significant, long-requested hardware evolution, a move to a larger 1-inch sensor. This isn't merely a spec sheet vanity metric. It's a fundamental shift with profound implications. A larger sensor surface area captures significantly more light. This translates directly to sharper, more detailed footage with richer colors and vastly improved performance in challenging low-light scenarios. Dusk adventures, dimly lit interiors, or underwater exploration. For an action camera often deployed in unpredictable and rapidly changing environments, this upgrade is critical. While it's not expected to chase the headline grabbing, but often in practical 8K resolution, the quality of each pixel captured at that resolution should see a marked improvement. This focus on enhancing core image quality over chasing ever higher resolutions is a strategically sound move, addressing user priorities like dynamic range and clarity in real-world conditions. Beyond the sensor, user experience enhancements are also rumored. A larger edge-to-edge rear display is frequently mentioned, potentially featuring reinforced protective bumps to maintain the camera's legendary toughness. This expanded viewing area would make framing shots, reviewing footage, and navigating menus significantly easier, especially for vloggers or anyone needing precise composition. Accompanying this screen could be a redesigned control layout. Speculation includes dedicated buttons for instant mode switching or one-touch recording, streamlining operation during high adrenaline moments when seconds count. These practical refinements signal an understanding that usability is as crucial as raw image specs. Perhaps the most persistent complaint dogging recent Hero models, particularly the Hero 11 and 12, has been overheating, especially during extended high-resolution recording sessions or in warm environments. This issue isn't just an annoyance, it halts filming and potentially damages the camera over time. The Hero 14 appears poised to tackle this head-on. Rumors strongly suggest a new, more powerful and efficient processor, potentially dubbed the GP3. This chip, possibly coupled with an integrated heatsink, promises not only faster performance for features like advanced stabilization and AI-powered modes, but crucially, superior thermal management. If realized, this could mean reliably longer recording times without the dreaded overheating shutdown, a major win for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Battery life remains a constant balancing act. While portability is paramount, users consistently demand more endurance. The Hero 13 introduced a 1900 mAh Enduro battery, offering a noticeable improvement. The Hero 14 might push further, potentially featuring a 2100 mAh battery. Combined with the efficiency gains of the new processor, this could deliver significantly extended runtimes, particularly valuable for all-day adventures, remote travel, or situations where charging opportunities are scarce. However, GoPro faces the challenge of integrating this without compromising the camera's compact, lightweight form factor. Pricing is expected to follow GoPro's recent pattern. The Hero 13 launched at $399. Given the speculated hardware upgrades, the Hero 14 will likely command a slight premium, potentially landing in the $400 to $450 range. Bundles with accessories like Enduro batteries, mounts, or the Volta grip will offer additional value. and GoPro's subscription service will continue to provide discounts, cloud storage, and replacement options. However, the competitive landscape is fiercer than ever. DJI's Osmo Action series, particularly models like the Osmo Action 4, already boast larger 1-inch type sensors, setting a high bar for image quality that the Hero 14 must meet or exceed. Insta360 continues to innovate with unique form factors and software-driven features. Furthermore, DJI is simultaneously pushing boundaries in the compact camera space with the anticipated Pocket 4, rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor, a larger 2.5-inch rotating screen, 4K 240 FPS, and advanced autofocus, showcasing the relentless pace of innovation that GoPro must counter. This is where the analysis becomes deeply personal and practical. The Hero 14's potential is undeniable, especially with the 1-inch sensor and thermal improvements. If these materialize, it could represent the most significant GoPro upgrade in half a decade, finally answering competitor challenges directly. The current Hero 13 already offers excellent performance, GPS tracking, the new Enduro battery system, and significant improvements over the Hero 11/12 in thermals, audio, and features. Claims that the 11 to 13 are basically the same are inaccurate. Now, value is key. The Hero 13 is available now, and great deals can be found on the Hero 11 or even the Hero 13 itself, especially if the 14's launch prompts discounts. You appreciate the ecosystem. Investing in the Hero 13's new battery format now makes future upgrades smoother, as spare batteries will likely remain compatible. In our opinion, buy the best tool you need now within your budget. Capture your adventures today. When the Hero 14 or 15/16 proves its worth and you need an upgrade, sell your current camera and reinvest. Don't let the pursuit of the next big thing paralyze you from capturing the present. As one perspective aptly put it, video quality doesn't make huge jumps anymore. The Hero 13 is a very capable camera. The GoPro Hero 14 Black carries immense promise. The rumored shift to a 1-inch sensor, a more powerful and efficient processor addressing overheating, a refined user interface, and potential battery gains suggest GoPro is finally ready to make the substantial hardware leaps fans have craved. If executed well, it could indeed mark a powerful comeback, reasserting GoPro's leadership in core image quality and rugged reliability. However, whether it's a worthy upgrade for you depends entirely on your individual circumstances, needs, and timeline. If you demand the absolute cutting edge in low light and sensor performance and can patiently wait until fall 2025, the Hero 14 could be a landmark release worth anticipating. Evaluate your priorities, consider the timing, and choose the tool that empowers you to capture your story without delay. The best camera, after all, is often the one you have with you when the moment unfolds. Thanks for watching.